Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen T-Roc 1.5 TSI with 150B horsepower, style with review, camera and winter pack. This sleek grey beauty is packed with features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone, cruise control and more for a comfortable and convenient ride. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning and more. The stylish design includes chrome package, roof rails and a sport exhaust pipe. This vehicle has been meticulously maintained with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and service done to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Contact us today at blackwatermotors.ie for more information on this fantastic Volkswagen T-Roc.